How to enter Roblox App Star Code. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can enter your Roblox App Star Code. So let us get started. First of all, open up your Roblox. Make sure that you're signed into your account. After it opens up, you will see on the top the Roblox option. Tap on it. After you tap on it, this should open up right here. Now what you need to do is scroll down all the way. After you scroll down all the way, on the bottom you should see an option that says tap here to add a star code. So tap on it and now you can enter your star code. Now entering a star code will support your favorite video star and they will earn 5% of your purchases, but you will still keep all of your Robux you paid for. So enter your star code here, and after you enter it, simply tap on add. And yeah, that is basically how you do it. And that is all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.